The Warrior Diet. Beneficial and effective, or extreme and unnecessary? If you've never heard about this weirdly called diet, then we're here to guide you through it by answering 4 essential questions that will help you decide if it's the right option for you. So, what is the Warrior Diet? It's the intermittent fasting pattern created by fitness and nutrition specialist Ori Hofmekler, who was a former member of the Israeli Special Forces. Hofmekler created the diet after years of observing the way he and his colleagues ate. The Warrior Diet is an adaptation of his experiences as a soldier and the eating habits of ancient warriors that hunted on empty stomachs during the day and feasted at night. Okay, that's getting interesting. So, how does the Warrior Diet work? Basically, you fast all day and feast at night within a 4-hour eating window. This approach to intermittent fasting might better be referred to as the 24 diet. Okay, so does it mean you can't eat anything during your 20-hour fasting window? Not really. Even though it's called fasting, it's basically a 20-hour under-eating phase. During this period, you can only eat small portions of raw fruits and vegetables, hard-boiled eggs, dairy, and drink zero-calorie drinks such as water, coffee, or tea. It's a good idea to consume a few servings of fruits and vegetables throughout the day to ensure you get enough essential vitamins and minerals. After these 20 hours, you are allowed to binge on any foods you want within a 4-hour eating window. Hofmekler suggests choosing your meals that contain healthy fats and large portions of protein. There's no need to count calories on the Warrior Diet if you follow Hofmekler's suggestions and focus on unprocessed foods. But is the Warrior Diet actually safe for your health? Well, even though Hofmekler suggests stopping eating when you feel pleasantly satisfied during the eating window, this may not translate into healthy eating practices for everyone. The Warrior Diet is not only challenging, it's also not based on science or research. Instead, the so-called 24 protocol is based on Hofmekler's own observations and opinions on the tactics he used to stay fit during his time in the military. Daniel O'Shaughnessy, the director of The Naked Nutritionist, says that the average office worker isn't a warrior. An ancient warrior wouldn't have the opportunity to gorge on processed food as we do. This diet seems likely to promote an unhealthy relationship with food. Also, experts are worried that this diet may lead to nutrient deficiencies. They warn that it's a very risky option for many people, including pregnant women, athletes, and people with diabetes. The Warrior Diet could lead to binge eating and purging behaviors, especially if you're at risk of developing an eating disorder. Also, if you binge on large quantities of food, it will lead to feelings of regret and shame, negatively impacting mental health and body image. Furthermore, the Warrior Diet can lead to hormonal imbalance, anxiety, extreme hunger, and insomnia. Looks like quite a package, doesn't it? But are there any benefits of the Warrior Diet? As we mentioned before, no research specifically supports this diet, so we can only rely on various studies that show the benefits of intermittent fasting itself. One study researching the effects of fasting for 20 hours found that people who consume meals over 4 hours in the evening experienced more weight loss than those who consume the same amount of calories throughout the day. The Warrior Diet is a bit more extreme, to say the least, than more common types of intermittent fasting, like the 16-8 method. So, some people may say that the benefits linked to other intermittent fasting patterns also apply to the Warrior Diet. Would you agree with that? If you truly think you could manage to choose nutritious foods, carefully plan your food choices, and have a proper calorie intake without binging, you could give it a try. But remember, you must consult your doctor and dietitian before starting this or any other diet. If you want to find out more benefits of a less strict intermittent fasting method, check out the video 16-8 Intermittent Fasting for Beginners. And if you want to understand why intermittent fasting is better than other diets, watch Intermittent Fasting versus 5 Most Popular Diets. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to Health Insider for more health-related videos.